Hello and welcome back to our series of questions involving expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions. Let's solve practice now 6. The question is, expand each of the following expressions. And A part is x minus 5y into x plus 4y minus 1. So here we can see two brackets and there is no sign between the brackets. So it means that the contents of first bracket are to be multiplied with contents of the second bracket. So x has to be multiplied with contents of this bracket and negative 5y has to be multiplied with contents of the second bracket. So we write it as x into x plus 4y minus 1 and then minus 5y. And then we write the second bracket, which is x plus 4y minus 1. Since we have written no sign between x and the second bracket, similarly minus 5y and second bracket, it means that they are being multiplied. Let's do the multiplication using the distributive law. X into x is x squared. X into 4y is plus 4xy. And x into negative 1 is equal to negative x. Now let's multiply negative 5y to the contents of the second bracket. So minus 5y multiplied with x is minus 5xy. Negative 5y into positive 4y is equal to negative 20y squared. And negative 5y when multiplied with negative 1 gives us positive 5y. Now here 4xy and negative 5xy are like terms. So collecting the like terms, we can write this expression as x squared plus 4xy. I'll write minus 5xy next to 4xy and then I'll write the remaining content, which is minus x minus 20y squared and plus 5y. Now these two terms, when simplified, 4xy minus 5xy gives us negative xy. So minus xy minus x minus 20y squared plus 5y. This is our answer. Let's move to B part now. So we have to multiply x with this bracket and we have to multiply positive 3 with this bracket. X multiplied with second bracket will be written as x into x square minus 7x minus 2 and plus 3 multiplied with second bracket gives us 3 into x squared minus 7x minus 2. Now let's apply the distributive law. X multiplied with x squared gives us x cube. Remember that when same variables are multiplied, their powers are added. So x into x squared is equal to x cube minus x into 7x is equal to minus 7x squared and x into minus 2 is equal to minus 2x. So drawing these arrows always helps you out. So it's a good idea to draw the arrows. Now let's multiply positive 3 with the contents of this bracket. Positive 3 multiplied with x squared gives us 3x squared. Positive 3 multiplied with negative 7x gives us negative 21x. And positive 3 multiplied with negative 2 gives us negative 6. Let's collect the like terms. Let's write the like terms together. X cubed, then minus 7x squared. And we have the like term with x squared, which is positive 3x squared. Now let's write the terms containing x as the variable. We have negative 2x and negative 21x. And lastly, the constant, which is minus 6. Let's simplify them together. X cubed as it is. Negative 7 plus 3. Opposite signs, it means the two numbers will be subtracted. And 7 minus 3 is 4. X square remains as it is. and we write the sign of the bigger number with the answer, and out of 7 and 3, 7 is the bigger number, which is negative. So answer would be negative 4x squared. Similarly, 2x and 21x. These two are like terms. They both have same signs. It means we will add 21 and 2, which gives us 23. X will remain the variable, and since out of 2 and 21, 21 is the bigger number and it is negative, so we will have negative 23x. And lastly, negative 6 as it is. So this is the answer or the expanded form of the question. I hope you can now solve similar questions from the exercise yourself. Happy learning!